fourth track on the album is called The Phoenix. And no, it's not because I'm from Arizona and Phoenix is close to my hometown. No, it's not because of that. It's named after the mythical bird. I love mythical creatures. I'm a huge Harry Potter nerd. I might have a wand over there. I might have a set of robes in my closet. That's besides the point. Anyways, there's this bird. When it reaches old age, it bursts into flames and then it turns into ashes. And from the ashes rises a new, perfect, brand new baby bird. And it's the same bird, but it has a new life. And the song is called The Phoenix because the previous song is about daring greatly. And it's about like getting into the arena and fighting your fight with all your might. But the fact is that if you dare greatly, if you take that risk, you're not accepting the risk of failing, but you're actually accepting the surety that you will fail. One point or another, along anybody's journey to success, if you're gonna dare greatly and take a huge risk, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall probably multiple times. But it's not the person that never failed that succeeds. It's actually quite the opposite. It's the person that learns how to rise from their own ashes. It's the person that learns to persevere through failures. If you're at the bottom of one of your failures, it's okay. That's just a part of the process. And it's part of rising strong. One interesting thing about this song, The Phoenix, is that there was one song that I loved the chorus on. I just loved it, and that was the original song of The Phoenix. But I didn't like the verses very much, and I kept trying to rewrite them, and it wasn't working. And then there was this other song that I loved the verses on, but the chorus just wasn't very good. And all of a sudden one day it hit me after I'd tried to work on both of these songs and couldn't get them where I want them. I suddenly combined them and they worked beautifully. So The Phoenix is actually a little baby of two very different songs. And sometimes things just work.